Hello everyone, welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti. How are you doing today? How is weather there? Here it's raining from 7 o'clock, but not that much, but it's fine. And how about schools? Tomorrow is last day of school for my kids. How about at your side? And what are you gonna do for summer? Maybe we are not going anywhere. We are not going for a long trip. Maybe we will just go nearby, just one day trip or something. So let's start. First, let me show you some of my creations that I created last week. So first one, you may have seen this picture. So this is beer mug. So I made this beer mug, and I ask you if it's is it good to keep it as a plain, or can I write dad or someone's name here? So most of them said you just keep it plain like this one only, and if someone want, you can write name on this mug. Next one is this goes ball and putter. So for this one, I used dome shapes here for ball, and I used different shapes to make the putter. So this is 5 by 7, and I also colored the background with the green and blue. And I was also thinking of writing dad, ghost dad or something like that. But then I thought it will be just for Father's Day. But if someone want, I can just write like that only. Next one is not for father, but for girls. So this is unicorn frame. So I made paper flowers. I rolled paper flowers and I glued them and made some multi strip strolls as a mean. So size of this frame is 8 by 8. So my girls chose these colors. So I can just change this color uh, as you want. Hi Preeti, how are you? Now next one is special one. My girls wanted to buy a fidget spinner. So I thought instead of buying, let's make fidget spinner. And my girls are fan of Ladybug serial. It has Ladybug, Cat Noir, all those characters. So Megha wanted to make Ladybug theme fidget spinner. So I made this fidget spinner with red and black color. You can see it spins very well, but not fast as like uh, a store-bought fidget spinner, but it spins well. So today I am going to show you how to make this fidget spinner. So Reva wanted to make cat noir theme fidget spinner. So he has green and black colors. So I thought, so she said she wanted to do it in that colors. So let me show you. Let me start add my close-up camera. Okay. So in the previous lives, I showed you how to make these kind of flowers. So Reva made these kind of simple flowers, these simple flowers with 5 petals. So you can make this kind of simple flowers, or you can make multicolored tight coils, anything. So this is red and black color theme, and this one is black and green color theme fidget spinners. Now first you have to make three flowers, or you can make 3 or 4 um, tight coil, or if you want you can make minions, fruits, anything, whatever you want you can make it. Now we have to make this ring. It has one ring which is holding this rod. So for that you can take any pencil or pen, and I am going to take a green color strip, 2 green color strips. I am going to glue those strips together. So we have to make a ring coil. Now take pencil or pen and just wrap this whole strip around it. For the first round, just put glue and hold it for a few seconds and then wrap it. And we have to do one more thing here. The flowers or loose coil, tight coils, if you are making flowers or uh, tight tight coils, big tight coils, they will be little bit flexible. If you put a finger or anything, they will pop up. So we are gonna play with fidget spinner, right? So we need this to be very sturdy. So for that, what you can do, take a little bit uh, glue and apply that glue on the flowers with brush, regular painting brush. You have to apply glue on both sides of flowers and let it dry for a couple of hours, so that those flowers or anything, flowers, rings, you have to apply that glue on everything. So you have to make ring like this. I will show you the difference between. So these flowers I didn't put glue yet. So if I poke it, you can see this middle part is coming out. And for this flower, I applied more glue. So even if I poke it, it's not coming out. So it's sturdy. So you have to apply glue on each part of the fidget spinner so that it will become sturdy. Now I made ring coil. So I am going to glue these flowers around the ring coil. Put glue around the ring coil, or you can put glue on the petals. And then just glue these petals around this coil. And let this dry completely for at least 5-10 minutes. And when it's dry, then you can apply glue on everything. First apply glue on sides and then top. Let it dry for maybe 30 minutes and then apply glue on the back side so that fidget spinner will become sturdy. Now we are going to make this middle rod. So for that, where is the paper? Okay, you can take any color paper and width, make a strip just less than 1 inch strip, and just maybe 4 or 5 inches long. And then we have to roll that strip and make a tight coil. So this will be tight coil only, but this time we are using long strip. And then put glue. Hold it for a few seconds. Now the middle rod is ready. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make two tight coils with two strips. If you are using store-bought strips, you can use one strip. And roll this strip and make a tight coil. And then glue it. Now take this middle rod and put glue and apply that tight coil on top of it. If you want, you can just make like a dough and glue it. Let this dry for a few minutes and then take this main part of fidget spinner and put in the middle like this. Oops. You have to let this dry completely, otherwise it will come out. Put this in the middle, hold it like this and glue other tight coil on top of this and let it dry. And when it dry, apply Mod Podge on this big rod and tight coils so that it will become sturdy like this. And if you want, you can just use small flowers, or you can use minions, snails, anything. And summer is coming, right? So kids need to spend something to spend time, right? So this is the good project that kids can enjoy and kids can play with this toy. So now my kids are saying they want to make more fidget spinner with all the miraculous ladybug characters. So they are going to make this kind of fidget spinner with different colors. So you can also make this kind of fidget spinner and play with that. Oh, I forgot to show you some work. It's not finished work, but yeah, I did some border and tomorrow I'm gonna finish it. So this is viola. I'm going to fill up this viola with maybe shades of brown and white. And I made this on 5x7 card. And one more anchor. So this is custom order. One of my customers friend bought new house, so she wanted to give this as a gift, housewarming gift. I'm going to fill this with shades of blue, and I just wrote it. Our home is established as 2021. So like this, I'm going to make this frame. So if you make fidget spinner, you can share that picture, or you can just take a video of playing that fidget spinner and share with me. And if you want to learn something new, you can just tell me what you want to learn. I will try to teach those things in upcoming live shows. So till then, bye. Take care.